Hey, my name is Zach Koerber. I am the co-founder of Contracts Connected. We are building bots for back office automation to fully automate and run your back office and all the paperwork that flows through it on autopilot with customizable bots for your workflow that just copies the way that you guys are already generating, sending, tracking documents. So what I'm going to show you today is a new kind of branch of these automation bots that we have created, and it is centered around certificates of insurance. Now, this platform is designed to collect any document you could ever need from your vendors with full e-signatures and whatnot. But today we're going to focus just on this new feature release, which is centered around certificates of insurance. So I have a project here. I've sent out a agreement to a subcontractor. And this is the subcontractor's account, the vendor's account, whoever you're sending it to. These are the documents I've asked from them and some other things I've asked them to acknowledge. But today we're going to be really focused on their certificate of insurance. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to open up this certificate of insurance task that I have to do. I can preview a sample document if you have provided a sample of how you would like this to be filled out to your vendor, which you will see when I browse and upload this file in just a second. But I'm going to go ahead and upload this insurance sample here. Now, as the vendor, I'm going to come in here and I can now see that I can put in the policy type. So I'm just going to do GL and I'm going to set the expiration date to be, next year sometime. And then I can do, auto. I'm just going to do a couple months out here and whatever other policies that you need. They can add unlimited policies here, and then they can reference the document as they fill this out for you. So I'm going to hit submit here. The system's now going to create a policy section on this page so the vendor can see what they've entered here. I'm going to go back because this is now pending approval. The system has automatically renamed this document that the sub has uploaded to you, and this is a customizable naming convention that our bots can go in and rename around what your document naming conventions are. So I can download, I can resubmit by deleting the old document, but let's go over to the general contractor's dashboard. So in my dashboard, I can see that I have one thing pending my approval out of all the things that I've submitted out for vendors to return to me. So these are all things still pending submission. These are things that the vendors need to acknowledge, but I'm going to come into the certificate of insurance because that's what we're focused around. So here you can see that I can pull up this document. I can preview what the vendor sent. I can see that it's already being filed away with the correct file name here. And it will be available in my documents tab up here, stored there for safekeeping and very organized. I can see the soonest expiration date here for me to be tracking, but guess what? The system, these bots are going to track this for you. And weeks before this expires, it's going to start reminding this vendor every single week to submit an updated certificate of insurance because a document is about to expire. So I can not only reference these here, but I can reference the most the most recent or soon expiration dates, and I can download it from my own files. I can reject and send a message for why I'm rejecting this. But if I hit approve, you'll see this is going to turn from pending approval to completed, and then I'm going to be able to reference this in all of the completed documents here, perfectly filed away for me to reference at a later date. I can also check multiple documents, bulk download them for my records with the perfect file naming convention. So that is our back office automation bot for certificates of insurance. It will track as many expiration dates as you would like. It will proactively go remind the vendor to submit it. Once they've submitted it, it will proactively monitor the soonest expiration date. And when that expiration date is coming up, it will proactively create a task that you'll be able to see on your dashboard. It will remind the vendor every Monday morning to submit that document until it's up to date. And it will file it away for you, notifying you when the vendor has submitted the new one for you to approve again. This is just one little bot that we're building, but again, as you can see, this is capable of handling any paperwork that you ever need to send from your back office to any of your vendors. Let us know if you'd like to see a demo. Thanks.